So on the heels of New York Fashion Week, where most fashion trends are born, I'm told, we take a look at what is trendy as we enter a new season. So with me is designer and illustrator Ayana Dixon. Morning, friend.
Good morning.
Great to see you. So we don't follow Europe? We follow...
No, mainly New York.
Why?
Basically just because, you know, the European trends are usually more avant-garde, more a little high fashion than what can be translated into everyday wear. So most of the designers locally take their inspiration from like the New York Fashion Week.
The New York Fashion Week wouldn't be looking at winter clothes?
Well, New York Fashion Week that's happening right now is actually telling us what the trends will be for next year.
Oh, for next year?
So next year, spring, summer.
And the final question before we look at the models, our space is a little bit different from everybody else.
Yeah, because remember we don't have fall
and winter.
So, and winter. So the transition in terms of trends is not as drastic. We can transition spring, summer, and like probably add a few elements that are trending in fall, and you know, compile our looks. As opposed to if you were in New York or a cold country, we definitely have to change everything.
Colors are incorporated in trends, or is just a style?
No, man, colors are incorporated in trends. I mean, we have Pantone, which is a governing body of color, and each year they come out with their color of the year. So Emerald, which we're going to see,
which is actually green.
Right, exactly. That's one of the color trends for this year, and you see it across the board in terms of fashion trends too.
And even if it's in New York, that would suit us here also.
Yep.
Oh, all right. Who and what have you brought this morning?
Okay, so I brought Khadija this morning, and she's wearing a lovely floral jumper with like a keyhole, peephole type of look. It's very sexy, it's very easy. Of course, we have the hints of emerald green with the tassels. Tassels are also really, really in style and fun and funky.
What you said up front, keyhole?
It's like a keyhole, you know, peephole. Yeah. Can see a little skin, but not too much.
Okay. And really that's deliberate?
Nice. Yes, of course, that's deliberate.
Yeah.
So that's the first look that we have.
It's a nice look.
Yes, and then we have Chanel.
I mean Chanel, make us see what I want now.
So she has a waist cincher, which is super duper popular. So that's a waist cincher.
A waist
cincher.
Cincher.
And then also the embellished sleeves, the big fancy sleeves are really coming back. I mean, you can even see it in what I have on here with the embroidery. Hers is just, you know, a little designed, and it's very cute. You can wear it, you know. A waist cincher, you can wear anytime.
A waist cincher.
Yeah, it's like a big belt, essentially.
I know, but it's the first I hear the word cincher. So I know.
Great.
It's nice though. It's nice. It's simple and classy.
Yeah, and classy. And you can add a belt to any outfit. So it could be a dress that you want to change the look for, or it could be a top and a high-waisted jeans, and you just have like a big broad belt over it. It's fabulous. And then we have Crystal. That's our final look. Of course, she's rocking the emerald green. That's very in style now. She also has the laced up front, which is very, very popular. And you can see that her jeans actually have like a little rip, and the embroidery on the bag. Embroidery is very big this season. As you can see, girls will be rocking it on shirts, even on pants. Like, embroidery is everywhere, even on sneakers.
Oh, I like the look.
Like the look?
Come on.
You approve?
I love it. I love it.
So next time I'm going to see you in some emeralds.
Yeah, I like that color. But what New York don't deal with male things?
Yes, I do actually.
So you just decide to leave me out this morning?
All right, next time I'll bring some in, just for you, okay?
Yeah. What else is happening? I mean, you've brought three outfits, but what else is going on?
Well, you know, the trends, they change often. So the best thing to do is like go to your local stores. I got these outfits from Lee's and like Lee's Fifth Avenue, and they're amazing. They're all in stock now, so you're able to go in and shop for whatever the freshest looks are. All the stores are bringing in a new stock for fall season, so you're gonna see a lot more tassels, you're gonna see a lot more embroidery, emerald, waist cinchers. Just go in and just shop till you drop.
Right. I said designer and illustrator. So you design.
Right.
With the illustrate part come in now.
The illustration, so I do my fashion sketches on a range of things. So not just, you know, as artwork, but on bags, mugs, you name it, I put an illustration on it.
Fantastic. Yeah. Great to see you.
Great to
Thank
see
you, ladies.
Too. Thank you, guys.
I soon come, yeah?
Yeah, man, cool.
I forgot over there with me. Because it's me on our work, I want to leave me out, you know. Excuse me, please. I'm on work, I want to leave the house.
All right. So we have bow ties. Bow ties are trending, right?
Bow ties are trending.
Always trending.
Yeah. That was designer, illustrator Ayana Dixon, and all of us over here are models. Oh, may we turn? Okay. Oh, you didn't want me to stay, sir? Oh. What that mean?
Walk out.
Oh.
Hey.
We're going for a break. We'll soon come back. Respect.